Welcome back, guys. We got a $53 set of tickets here. We got a Cash King that still hasn't been nice to me, Money Explosion, and a Peppermint Payout. We'll do Peppermint last. Okay, for this slowly dying $20 ticket, we need 2 like prize amounts here to win that amount. A match to this number is a win-all, so you win all these prizes. Otherwise, we need a match with a stack of cash, which is an automatic win. We got ticket number 2, a white line ticket for you guys, and odds are 1 in 3.02. All right, we got 20 and 20. We got the win right out the gate. All right, we got 30 up there. Let's see. 458, 15, 24, 38. We're not out of this yet, because we can still win on the bottom, even though we got that bonus win on the top. All right, let me lock in the focus, make sure we're not jumping around. Okay, let's see what happens. 56, we have 58, 28, 50. 32, 23, 6, we have 4 up there, 1 and 40, nope, 59, 55, alive, 12, 17, 29, we need 30, 51, 46, 37, 16, 13, 60, damn it. 39, you got 38, 57, 3, no, 42, 5, no, 25, 48, a 9, 21, 34, the last spot is 11, so it looks like we stick with that $20, but that's okay. All right, big boy ticket, we need a money bag in one of these spots to win whatever prize is there. At the bottom, we need a match. The pot of gold is 5 times the prize. The shamrock is 10 times the prize. And the diamond is a win-all. Odds on these are 1 in 2.93. I was distracted by the Yorkie for a minute. He was like intently looking at something. All right, we got nothing on the top. 64, 24, 45, 19, 52. All right, no 30s and no singles. 49. Damn, all those 4s. I thought I had it. 54. We got 24 and 64. 13, 62, 14, 9. They're going to kill us with all the one-offs and weird number combinations. 46, 29, 66, 12. Single 1. Oh my God. Changed light bulbs in here. I'm trying a new lighting configuration and the bulb was just banging against the wall. 56, 64, 36, 3 and 23, 8, 31, 39. In fact, we have no 30s up there. 53, we have 52, 20, 11, 6. I don't think anybody sent me any symbols on this ticket yet. I'm sure somebody will find one of these days. 42, 59, 2 more rows, 25, 70, 21, 61, 40. Let's see if I can fit one more row in there. 48, barely. All right, 48, 60, 32, 30, 47. I did bring the other phone down here to make sure that this is not a winner. I can get it to focus. Come on. Scanning apps are like some of the most annoying. Not a winner. All right, we kind of knew that. Okay, let's do a Peppermint Payout. This one, we need to complete a line to win one of these prizes, or else get a cookie in one of these spots and win the prize there. Odds on this one are 1 in 4.03. All right. 28 and 2. 28 and 2. Let's see. 28 and 2. Let's see either one. Let's check for the cookies. We got a candle and a sled. All right. No 28 or 2. 35, 41. 35, 41. 16 and 32. 16, 32, right near each other. 37 and 18. 37, 18. Nope. 14 and 33. 33, 14. 45 and 11. 45 and 11. Not seeing either one. 22 and 9. 22 and 9. Come on, give me that $50 line. 43 and 1. 43. Ah, crap. We got that $3 win, which I'm pretty sure we are pretty much dead right now. 23. I'll finish it out because somebody will call me out and say I didn't finish it. 20 and 44. 39, 26. 39 and 26. I don't think I have them anyway. All right, let's do one more. We'll do a sleigh ride from PA. These are kind of like my junk food tickets. All right, this one, kind of the same premise. Get all 4 spots in a given color and win that prize, or else get a reindeer symbol in this area and get $15 for each one. Odds on these are 1 in 4.30. 9. Not seeing a 9. 57. 57. Just 37. 16. 16. Yeah, they put these numbers on here twice, so I did learn that the hard way the first day. 28. 28. 48, 18. 67. 67. Say no 67. 44. 44. 54, 14. 54. 37. 37. 31. 37, 31. 18. All right. 46. 46. 66. 66. Spoke it right up. All right. 65. 65. Nope, just 35. 15. 15. See, 14. 24. 14, 54. Nope. 29. 29. 59. 48. 48 over there. And that looks like that's it. 59. 59. Looks like that's it. 43. 43. I don't think I see that. So it looks like we're missing a couple of colors here. But all right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Please play responsibly, and I'll catch you on the next one.